That is a boy. I brief him and we go over there. Me? Me? It's so nice, peeps.
Ella no llora por un bobo más. Eso ha quedado atrás.
You have to feed on them fish, you have to have the strength.
Yes, my beautiful viewers and subscribers, top of the morning, welcome to another excited video. You know, today we're outside, you know, peeps. So Yard and Brad, I want to stay tuned, I want to hit the like button. You know what I mean? I say, share the video, comment. So today, me and the king of crab, Swamp King out here today. Natty King. You see me? So today we are going to do some perch hunting, you know, peeps. Yeah, man. So remember, as me say, hit the thumbs up, share the video, like the video, and always leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed, peeps, just subscribe. So, Yard and Abroad, I could get into it here. So, peeps in Natty King there now, outside and outrageous.
Man, big up on yourself, I'm there again, you know. I touch your water, so watch how I go on.
Yeah, man, old Swamp King, you know. Yeah, man. I carry that down there, sir? Oh, boat. Yeah, man, peeps. So, we also chat them road when me and you come catch crab, you know. Put gloves for me and catch crab, you know. Them place here, when crab time, like next month now, loaded a crab. You see me? Yeah, man, peeps. So, you see a boat we are going, huh? So, tip off in there?
Yeah, man.
Alright, Natty King. Yeah, the man, you know. Yeah, man, peeps. Like you turn over the one, Natty. Yeah, man, peeps, so. Outside and running, you know, man. So, I have to paddle too. Old Natty King, you know, Swamp King, you know, peeps. Yeah, man. Shoeboat, you know. Let's see what I go on. So, Natty say, peeps.
And a strength do it, that is skill and might, eh? Go on the routine, eh?
So, skill and simple technologies. Yeah, man, peeps, so. Shot through the swamp, you know. Yeah, man. Not here sure with the crab them a bust up all there. Yeah, man. People, and you know, every time I go on them adventure, I'm always excited, you know. Cause first time doing some things, you know. So people, see it that the great Natty King go through Swamp King. Now what's the name of them bush, man? Natty.
Take a look close at water, we are going now.
So me can wear my shorts?
That not good enough for me.
That black?
Maybe full of it out.
No matter. Natty is a boy. I brief him and we go over there. Me? Me? You say you want to see the action. Me I wear my shorts and my shirt, everything.
Yo. I see you have to go in the water. Water are going. So talk it already.
So you say that me my phone mash up then?
You can't hold phone to the water. I use phone nothing.
Alright, come in, you know.
I phone left in my pocket.
You say you go on the road, but me see what I go on.
Yeah, I suppose on socks and something.
Me I wear my socks.
I wear no slipper.
Cause I know my slipper as good as sink, but my socks, I don't want nothing to. Yeah, man. Me a forward, man. Eh? No, nothing in my pocket. Boomba. So people, you see it? When you look there. In a depth size swamp, you know. I'm not thinking how you find them places. See what I want. Yeah, man. May I tell you? Whoa. Yeah, man. See how we have to go through the piece of swamp here. Yeah. Excited, you know, peeps. And we think we wouldn't excited if crocodile out there. Drop down in one whole star. Water cool, no? Aha. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, at least it come like we come up back on a high grounds, you know, P? One step down there, sir. Jaja no peeps. Jaja. Great Natty King, you know, man. Swamp King, you know. Hey. I want to see the peeps. Boy, I don't know when I find them place I know people. Boy. You see big perch? Yeah, man, peeps, so each pan a opening, you know. It's up on the idea of the place look. See me? Yeah, man. We go through the little bush there so and come out back on a clearing. So yeah, man, the great natty thing, so I have to take my time come through them places, you know? Him having reason. So
man. We have Steven on.
yeah, man, I come too. Sweet peeps. Them place I can dive, Natty. Eh? Hey, some big perch was out there saying, man. Eh? Silver. Yeah, man, peeps. Great adventure. And a old fish pot. You say you want some wire? We get the 20, we get on 20 of them. How much?
Some different place so you can set fat.
How much you can do that?
Then depends on half roll can do.
Half roll? How much you half roll?
You know the price of things about.
Alright. We are check you out. And the next video we are do, we are reach out to the subscribers them. Come on and see who willing to pitch in to help the movements, you know? Yeah man. Cause you don't know the thing going on at the king. You say take time to pin so.
You catch the whole into when crab time coming.
Crab?
Yeah. Whole into the walk at night time.
Night time.
Yeah.
You know the swamp yeah?
Alright, that's all.
I don't think me not come around and say that night.
You run to the work with me. You have to go on.
Yeah man, we know you're real hunting man. So see it yeah? Yeah man peeps. Yeah far? Yeah man, yeah forward man.
Yeah,
Eh?
man, strong.
Like you're sure say you're full of perch on you do.
God bless no man first.
Yeah man. God nah make John Cunningham grass natty. Yeah man. Yeah. See the peeps of water reach me. Yeah man. Ah. When the water touch your back. Yeah, you get a WhatsApp. Yes, peeps. Excited adventure, you know, man. Yeah. One peep, so we see it is a pattern where like not to follow, you know, to get the safer part of the track, you know. So like how him a lead me just drop, but me a come man. Remember, yeah, the swamp king, you know, man. Oh, I see pot of shit, Natty. Come up with him, make we see how I go on, Natty. Ah, yeah. Yeah. Yes, peeps. See what I go on there? Food, man. What we just say? God nah make John Cunningham grass, eh? And you see what I go on? See it, huh? Nice, nice, nice perch and peeps. Tilapia, you know? Yeah, man. Some people use sticking at them.
It's on a rough sea.
Yeah, man, look at the size of that thing, peeps. Yeah, man, peeps, look upon the size. Yeah, man.
I'm not talking.
See what I go on?
Fish with days. You rather happen.
Yeah, damn.
Just breathe easy and subscribe.
Yeah, man, see the peeps. That's a huge one, you know, peeps. See him there?
say put him in the mouth because I don't want him trying nothing on the short journey.
You say no want him jump out. Yeah man, it's a huge one that peeps.
Yeah man.
Great Natty King, Swamp King.
Now, we're fishing all boats.
Alright, another nice one. Another nice one, peeps.
I'll show people where we can catch them too.
Yeah man, the coconut. Yeah man, dumpling, you know. See it, peeps. One more.
Yeah man, active. Today I cook some of them today.
Yeah man.
Can't put off. There's some more smaller, but we'll eat them on a stew.
So about how much pound that you face away? About 4 pound?
Walk like this.
Alright.
Look one now, you make some pepper in there, one vinegar and pepper.
Oh, fry them and
Yeah.
fry them crisp
Yeah.
with vinegar and pepper. And some of my honey sauce you tell me about.
So we use a catch them dumpling.
Yeah man.
Yeah, so.
I say, no crayfish in the swamp here. See one day over there, sir.
Cook it there. Yeah, then I cook it, so. Beat it up now, it's alright.
With rice?
No, right, you can catch them too.
Mm-hmm. The rice and wash it. It is just you for show the people them and tell the people them want to go and then, cause same like how me ask question the people them want to ask, you know, cause sometimes them ask, you know. So I just you have to talk to them and make them know meanwhile, yeah, you know.
See what I say. When I choose online, look more to you know much.
Cause
Cover some journey first.
and I like them, no, you know. And I like them can do it, so. So peeps.
Alright, so sit back.
People out here, it's a big swamp too, you know.
Oh shit, this one.
So that I bait. The tips. Fish for days. So this are the baiting process.
Some bait in it already, you know, the soak them.
Yeah, give them some fresher.
Oh, this call them. This name the rice. Any rice can you cook it. Stuff it with water.
You just throw some around it, so you lead them to it.
So, go down on the surface of the ground, in between the wires, so. Yeah, we're going to get it. You cover it, doesn't get them shade. You make them burn up in there, so.
They say you cover them with shit.
You cover it, then get them shade, don't let them burn up in there, so.
So the question I know enough people are going to ask, you know, see, how long it take you to come check back all this now?
You can see how long you want them to stay, you know, how long you out of the water, so you can if you breathe.
Oh.
If you're under the water, then we drown.
Okay, so
Alright, come in again. Go outside, you know, outside.
yeah man. That was another mash up pot. In drop out, you know. Me see fish drop out, you know. Whoa! Long giant in there. Me see one fish drop out, you know, not here. When drop out, you? Yes, you think this is a catch more? Yeah, I feel check you because I see one fish drop out through it. So this is a
swim. Long giant.
So well, I will tell the people them exactly what is
giant. They call them long giant, but others are like next to crayfish. So the giant and long.
Oh.
They call them long giant. But I'm going longer crown this one. This is a young one. This is not so young to that, but the crowd will be big on this. So. Call them long giant. We can boil soup, curry, and all those things.
Yeah, give me a couple of them for boil soup on my birthday for chew, you know. Peep me, sir. So I not see, so I not tell us, I see. The two of them gone in there? So I not tell us, I see when you lift up with something and sit in the job. I can never believe me, but I don't know how which part they go through. Man say 2 perch in my pot, just jump out gone, so. Yeah man, so viewers, subscribers, they say Natty, I go check out the price for the wires, you know? And we see what we can do, you know? Cause oh, for true party rotten. So what me I say? See you water, mix it the water here, don't? I'm going to see you. So you don't rock any pot them?
Yeah, you part of the pan the ground, the more the rotten wire you take a good time. You can't last so long. The next thing you have to do, check the pot regular.
For whole and
more fish in another one lot.
so let me see one nice one come out, man. Yeah man, and this is another old pot, you know, peeps. And then we can dry. Sometimes you're lucky, you know. Why you having a bag there? Alright peeps, make we go closer. Let's see what I go on. But alright, so if a fish ain't going on that, then can breathe in there now?
Yeah.
Out of that go. Space there.
Yes, deeper. Part deeper.
Yeah, provide them with them shade. Alright. So we lose 2, yeah, so 3 miss. Because I did see one escape when them pull you up.
Some have to get to that.
Now you say man roll, man.
Oh, you got to roll far more. That joker.
Say at the pot that way you expect for catch more fish. Yeah. peeps about that thing, say. A bed of rose. Not today have one next place out. You know, I saw him named Broadwater, but me not thinking can find it back. Peeps.
I've been to the one day, you know. I'm going to build a pattern. I'll take one day and top up.
You can't find it back.
I bet you are.
Peeps, so another one. This sound nice, peeps. Yeah, man. We'll catch another long giant around there, so nice perch, a blackfish over there, so yeah, man. Not in mind holding down and drop out a chip here, you know. See the peeps. Another lovely catch. Yeah, man.
Fish with beers.
Mm-hmm.
And just breathe and just make yourself happy, you know.
So why you not make a door upon the pot, Natty?
You don't make door upon pot.
You just come here, just walk me it.
Yeah.
See that, peeps?
Active.
Yeah, man. My, when you take out the blackfish, you make the people and see what name, so. Yeah, man, mudfish, aka blackfish, man, and see it.
Put me in there and get it. Body, you know, yeah, my real up.
Mm-hmm.
Now warm up an early match. Because I West Indies match.
Yeah, well, peeps.
We don't want to get to.
Yeah, man, this fish full of flesh, you know, peeps.
Yeah, easy.
Yeah, man, when you cook this in meat white, full of flesh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. You have some big one, peeps.
I'm not chatting. Alright, we just show them so the thing then claw get bigger.
Ah.
See it, yeah? See the claw then get bigger now, see it?
So not in we bite you?
Yeah, man, I bite, but we don't worry about that. Man come for ruler.
Yes, a man, I work ruler. What the peeps look for the size of the claw, longer peeps. Yeah, man, see it there?
Long time.
Not to say, man, look how man not sitting just a bite him and just a look, man.
Yeah, that's so good, man. Man come for ruler.
The earth ruler.
Man, I own him, you know.
Yeah, man.
And vinegar and pepper them.
Mm-hmm.
Active. And then there's some people that watch your video them and then go and tea for you and hold one of them.
Oh, so when you then see what I go on and come dry pot.
Yeah, so I want to hold one of them and try that. So I saw them stay. You know. Watch everything you do, come teach your things then. Then I want to make nothing for themselves, you know.
And that hard car, you know, easy to come out your son, you know.
So we are one, you know, run out, you know, run in.
That's easy at all. You know.
Oh, them are watching. See them, eh? I flour ribeye and make dumplings. See dumplings, just like when you have feet dumplings, see them? And then if you catch fish now with it. Alright. There might have some people that watch your video. And you turn your back and can enjoy your pot then.
Babe, so that you set up back in funnel. There are people who remember. Subscribe to Severbars TV. That's what I say. Yeah, man. Big up all of the general them, Fox, Johnny them, Randy them, you know. Because you don't know a thing go. You know what I mean? So. So that's our now. Rice? Same rice. Oh. Extra beer took that one the door.
You go and go to deserve it now, don't you?
Mm.
You have black fish.
So people, you know, sister, we not stay long in the swamp and provide a nice adventure going.
No, we never use the bigger strength, you know. Just technology, you know. And simple movement and react. Box still that you're going to come.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Road again, you know. We say road.
Yeah.
50 years.
Yeah, man.
Right.
The straight Natty King strike, you know,
These
man.
are not chattings.
You have to lead the way, you know, Natty.
Just breathe easy and just subscribe, you know. And subscribe. Come in, take a chance, you know. Stop this, you know.
Yeah, man, and peeps, you know, see it? We not spend no heap of time in the swamp. Just ready for another adventure, you know?
Yeah, we set up an idea again. I'm picking my wife. Look out to our man. I can see where I go this time. We don't have fish for in a while. We have chop out on different places and bigger water in the swamp. Further place, bigger tree them and everything. But we have to get some mic we can pin on.
Mm-hmm.
And we have to do a hard journey that is. A whole day that. Fine, man.
So we are going to find back somewhere we lost.
About 10 years.
That means there's some big perch was around, you know. One of them back there. Ain't out there. I saw them big out there.
Some black fish out long, you know, they're not just small longer. So we have a plan for today, don't we?
Eh?
We have a plan to have today. I cook some fish today.
Anything you depend? Anything or anything, my father. Yeah, man, you tell me about yourself. So, yeah, man, viewers, subscribers. The adventures. We are coming then no normal more time, but we come out as I make it happen. So, if you reach this far in our video, please leave a like, share your views on the video. You get me, I say? With a comment. You see me? Share to a friend, share to a family, you know? Yeah, man.
So far, you have to look at me kind of say how do you just can't sit on the road, because I'm not going on the road.
For real.
You work hard to get all the things, you know? Things come hard, right?
So peeps just help we going, you know. So we can come out here and make it happen for you and, you know, entertain, you know, on the other side of the screen, you know. Things are cow flyer bite me and I'm shining, you know. Imagine if some more fish back the setting of the Some of the water get low. Yeah man, peeps, see that? Not they say me I got black, but me not black. They say water good enough. Things say me not black and dirty. So what time are you on your feet, Xavier?
Oh, me? Oh, I did that the other day.
I've carried more weight then. So, we reach. It's a back on the street. Yeah man, peeps. So, catch was so bad, you know. For the, I mean, I think we spend 45 minutes on there. You never record the time. Yeah man, peeps. Lovely, you know. Natty King I go show you catch you now, peeps.
Yeah man, big up yourself. They're right on the land back again. So what I go on there?
See what I go on there, peeps?
Yeah man, right on land, they're not chattings.
Lovely, you know.
Yeah man, chattings, they them and the long giant, them blackfish. Yeah man, perch and video.
Yeah man.
Couple of them small still now, you know, directly. Catch a small one, but 2 days that day we have alcohol vibe. So we want to do some vinegar and pepper with them one. The smaller one, but them bigger one, well, active. Them one, them one for days now.
Yeah,
we give
man.
thanks, you know. And praise for the catch.
Yeah, then a broad seat there.
Yeah man, we're there man.
Yeah man. Yo, peeps, it's a joy and a blessings
You know?
when you can
Put in something and get something.
put in something and get something out of it. So
we have to give thanks, you know.
yeah man.
Like we never have to eat, see that we have meat. You know? We have fish, so when I switch, you see.
Alright,
Yeah,
as we said
yeah,
earlier,
Fat tickers.
God now make Jankonium grass, you know.
Fat, you know.
Yeah man, you know see that man?
My approach, they're not premature. You don't feed them body good.
Watch your people.
Yeah, active.
Yeah man.
So just breathe easy and comment here. See it here.
People, so when you don't know, your man has something away. Bore you know, peeps, see me? So when you don't know, every time when you see we just look on here water with it. Yo, so every time when you see we, it's a different, you know, adventure. See it there? Yeah man. So we get a lovely catch today, so we can't complain, you know what I mean?
Give praise, you know?
Could have come and not catch nothing.
Each and every one just big up on yourself, I know, so we don't keep strong, you know, and keep safe. We love you all, you know.
Yeah man.
More blessing.
Natty King, you know, peeps, and him say right now we want a power, you know. You know.
Action, speak low down.
You want a power. Yeah man.
We're gonna do some more thing idea, we're gonna touch some crab or anything. So look out today, you knock again, you know. The idea will go single so and waste it. You don't waste time.
I forget something on the way, you know.
So I just done.
So move to something else. Yeah man, peeps, so you don't know you go.
You have to feed on them fish, you have to have the strength.
Great tilapia, you know, we call them perch as well, you know.
You're on a linger road, a bunny road.
Yeah man, so when you don't know, peeps, so we are head back on the road sometime. You know?
I want to big up all of the hard-working people.
Yeah man.
Just keep strong and just believe in yourself, you know. Out of nothing, there will come something. Can you see it? We never go with nothing, we'll come up with something.
Yeah man. God nah make Jankonium grass.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then a broad bless up on yourself. So until the next video.
Yeah, man.
Soon again.
We're walking in a boat and now and go back.
Yeah man.
So,
Should I catch up with the people and see?
yeah, we are going in a boat back.
Cause I look how adventure they're nice, you know.
Drop back. Fish all out some eat.
Back in our boat, you know, peeps.
step over now. I think I got him here now.
Yeah, man. Natty King has set back the boat. In there. We no can bring this, I see you one day. That is when time I pay your boat. Boy, you're not easy at all, love me, Janet. So which boat you gonna see with? Oh, up at Windsor Beach. Yeah, man. I done the boat this. Oh. Yeah, man.
Right to the start off.
Yeah, man. Love and respect my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Bless upon yourself. Until next time.